Hello, everybody. Welcome to English Leveling. Today, we're talking about an interesting little idiom, a very interesting phrase here that we can use in the English language. Let's take a look at it. It is fly by the seat of one's pants. Yes, a very interesting, very fun little idiom, right? Fly, right? Seat. Seat of your pants is the bottom part of your pants. So when you sit down on a chair, right, the seat of your pants is the part that's going to be touching the chair. Okay, so that's what the seat of pants means, right? Okay, so what exactly does it mean to fly by the seat of your pants? Well, since this is an idiom, first thing you should know about idioms is that these words don't have a literal meaning. Okay, so when we say fly, we don't mean literally flying. You're not going to be up in the air or anything like that. Of course, this is an idiom, so this just has a completely different meaning. Fly by the seat of your pants means that you don't have any plan, you don't have any direction. In fact, you might not even know what you're doing. Okay, so maybe you don't have experience. You don't know what to expect. There's a lot of things that you just don't really know. And so you don't have a plan, you don't have direction, you don't really know what you're doing, and yet you're doing it anyway. You're going full speed ahead. Okay, so you're going full speed ahead, without a plan, without knowing what direction you have to go, without knowing what you're doing. You're just doing it anyway, and you're hoping that it goes all right. Okay, you hope it will go all right, even though you don't know. So you don't really know what you're doing exactly, but you're going to just go for it anyway. Okay, so maybe we can just think of an example here. Just think about any situation you don't really know what you're doing, but you're going to just do it anyway. You're going to wing it. Wing it is also another, it's a similar idiom, wing it. Okay, I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm going to just do it anyway. Okay, and so let's say you're unprepared. To give some type of speech. You're not really prepared to give the speech. You're not ready. You don't really know what you're doing, but hey, you're asked to give a speech. So what do you do? Well, you just stand up and start talking. Okay, well, you're not really prepared, right? You didn't prepare at all. You're not even sure what you're doing. You're just, hey, okay, I was asked to give a speech. Okay, just let's get up there and let's just say something. Okay, well, we can say that, you were flying by the seat of your pants. Okay, let's say somebody started a business, and they started a business. They didn't really know much about business, but they just took it on. They just, you know what, I'm going to do this, and then they just did it. Okay, right? We can say that person, we can say that he was flying by the seat of his pants. Okay, I was just flying by the seat of my pants. I don't really know what I was doing. I was just trying my best. I was doing it anyway. Okay, so that's what this phrase means. To fly by the seat of your pants means that you don't really know what you're doing, but you're just doing it anyway. You're just trying your best to do it, even though you might not have the best results at the end. You're trying anyway. Okay, that's it for this phrase. So I'll see you in the next lesson.